Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have an iPhone 14. This is the purple one, hot off the presses. We're going to show you how to do a master reset. So if you want to sell the phone, if you want to just reset it to scratch, this is what you're going to have to do. So you want to find the settings icon. It's this concentric gear. It might not be in this position, but basically just look for this picture, click on it, and now you want to go to General, and then you want to go all the way down to the bottom, and you can either shut down or transfer or reset the phone, which is what we want to do. So if you want to transfer to a new phone and dump this phone, follow this stuff, but what we're going to do is the reset. So you can actually either just do a reset, and this is actually like reset the settings, like just reset the iOS and the defaults, reset the network settings, reset the keyboard dictionary, reset the home screen layout. So these are all kind of like minor things. This one's actually kind of a big deal. Reset location and privacy, or actually erase everything. So this is all of your content as well as all of the settings on the phone. So yeah, and it tells you actually how much apps and data you have on there. So in this case, this phone is brand new. I only have a few photos in here. Let's see if they show up once we reset. So just we want to erase the phone, and it says, are you sure this is going to erase all your media content and settings? This cannot be undone. Yes, I'm sure. And that's basically it. So now you just have to wait. And the this part doesn't take too long. Then it just has to reboot the phone, which I think takes longer because it's resetting the software at that point. Okay, and here we are. So it's basically just the same as if you just opened the box for the first time. And yeah, so you have to go through the whole, set your country, set your language, etc. So this is actually a Japan phone, which is why Japanese is up at the top. It also has a physical SIM. If you're interested, check out my video about that. So anyway, that's it for today. If you guys have any questions or comments, check out our other iPhone 14 videos. We also have iPhone 14 Pro and many other phones here on Howtechs. Bye. Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have a hot off the presses iPhone 13 Pro Max dual physical SIM Hong Kong version. And today I'm going to show you how to insert and remove